A promise kept, the birth of Jesus. In a time of darkness and silence, a promise neared fulfillment. An angelic messenger stands before Mary with radiant peace. You will bear a son. Mary receives the astonishing promise. Joseph wrestles with doubt as sleep overtakes him. A dream. Do not be afraid, take Mary as your wife. Under cold stars, they travel the long road to Bethlehem. Doors close, only a stable offers shelter for the night. In quiet humility, the child is laid in a manger of straw. Above the stable, a brilliant star shines like a promise kept. Shepherds keep watch, as the night stretches silent and cold. Heaven's light opens, good news fills the night with glory. They find the child and kneel.